for the PBMA Weekly Update, hosted by Mrs. Cooper.
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of April 25th, 2025. Here are some upcoming events. There will be an elementary testing Pep Rally on Monday, April 28th. Please have your student wear their class color to show school spirit. Kindergarten wears purple. First grade will wear yellow. Second grade wears blue. Third grade wears orange. Fourth grade wears green. And fifth grade wears red. It will be a lot of fun. Saturday, May 3rd is our next open house for students who are new to PBMA. 10 o'clock a.m. at our elementary campus and 11 o'clock a.m. at our secondary campus. Please notify any friends or family who want to find out more about PBMA. Teacher Appreciation Week is coming. Teacher Appreciation Week is Monday, May 5th until Friday, May 9th. If you'd like to contribute, please give an envelope to either front office for me or Mr. Andropont. We will show our teachers love with breakfasts, lunches, and special surprises. Saturday, May 10th is our junior-senior prom at the West Palm Marriott. Senior graduation is May 20th, and middle school moving up ceremony is May 28th. Both are at 6 o'clock p.m., and both are at Santa Lucia's High School. May 22nd is the 8th grade moving up celebration trip to Rapids Water Park. Permission slips are available at the front office. May 23rd is 5th grade and kindergarten moving up ceremonies at the elementary campus. 8:30 a.m. for Miss Hill and Mr. Allen. 9:15 a.m. is for Doc and Mr. Mack. 10 a.m. is for Miss McKnight and Miss Racker's class. And 10:45 will be Miss Owens, Miss Hepburn, and Miss McCall's classes. May 26th, there is no school for Memorial Day. And May 30th is the last day of school. Please save the date for Form Day. Form Day will be July 15th from 9 a.m. until 1:30 p.m. at both campuses. Form Day is when families sign up for buses, aftercare, pay the $25 STEAM fee, and fill out other important documents. Please make every effort to stop by.
And here is a word from our administration.
Hi PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, your elementary school principal. We had another great and busy week at the Maritime this week. Our K-2 students took their PM3 tests for both reading and math. Parents, those score reports will be coming home with your child. Please review them and talk about them. We saw a lot of great progress. I'm very proud of everyone. Next week, our third graders will be taking their reading PM3 on Thursday. So third graders, let's do a great job as well. Thank you.
Hello, Shark families. This is Mr. Perry from the secondary campus. I want to inform you guys that we have some new updated testing dates. Please make sure that you adhere to these testing dates and make sure your students get a good night's rest the night before. Let's make next week a great week, and I look forward to see everyone back.
Hey guys, Andropont here. This week I want to just talk about some reminders. I want to remind the juniors and seniors that prom payments are due. Please get those in as soon as possible. Another major deadline today is the last day. Okay, I'll give you until Monday. Monday is the last day for the 8th grade parents and legal guardians to submit 3 pictures to me for the 8th grade Moving Up Ceremonies video. If you don't get your pictures in by Monday, your dear heart, loved one, sweet child, whatever you like to call them, will not be in the video. And do not approach me after the ceremony upset because they were not in there. The deadline is Monday. Email me the pictures.
Wednesday was Administrative Assistance Day. A huge thank you goes out to Miss D, Miss Dory, Miss Marcellus, Miss Meg, Miss Natalie, Miss Sullivan, and Miss Torres. Thank you all for your hard work and dedication to PBMA. Tuesday night was kindergarten roundup for all our incoming kindergartners. Our newest baby sharks had a wonderful time learning about all the fun and excitement PBMA will offer to them. Kindergarten cap and gown pictures are now available for purchase at the Herff Jones website under K-11 portraits. In elementary art, grades 2nd grade through 5th grade learned about one-point perspective. They created different scenes using angles to create perspective in their drawings. Secondary students embarked on a STEM trip to Astro Skate. Students were led by a certified teacher for a 3-hour STEM lesson. The students were taught all about the engineering of the roller skate and the design of it. Roller skating actually proved Newton's first law of motion, and every time you skate, you are actually putting math into place. Science also plays a part of demonstrating Newton's third law of motion. After learning how science and math play an important role when it comes to skating, the students were then free to skate along, with the trip ending in a dance party.
Coach Storkel here with your PBMA Athletics Update. Field Day 2025 here at PBMA Secondary Campus. Students enjoyed a relaxed day filled with exciting sporting events and good food. A great time was had by all. Special shout out to Coach Lefebvre for officiating the soccer tournament. The girls' flag football team lost their second game on Tuesday 19-6. Janelle Ruiz scored the Sharks' only touchdown. Later this week, the girls' flag football team at PBMA won their game on Thursday against the Somerset Wellington Wolves 20-18. The two teams battled back and forth until the very end, and the Sharks were able to pull out their first victory of the season. The Sharks are now 1-2 on the season and will carry that little girl Shark mentality into their next game Wednesday at home against Slam. Let's go Sharks.
Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.